Hello all. I just got the Umidigi Watch, the Uwatch2 in the mail. So this is the Uwatch2 in a black color version. So I'm just gonna do an unboxing video real quick, and then I'll provide a full in-depth review after. So comes with the card. I guess it's a similar card that they put on every device that they sell. So this is the Umidigi watch, that the phone that I bought. So this is the watch. So the back actually consists of all the bands. So there's a soft, really soft silicone, almost like a silicone material, rubber. The charging cable. So the charging cable is neither Type C or Type B. It's just a magnetic charger. You get the pins. Oh, that's nice to see. So it's got another band. It's like the magnetic band. So it kind of just tapes on. So you can adjust it pretty simple and put on the watch pretty easily. So it's like almost like a, oh, it's already on actually. What? Whoa, this is actually pretty cool. It's pretty responsive actually. Surprised that it's already on. I guess they shipped it when the device is on. So just a quick overview, I guess, just going through it as I speak. So there's the time. It's pretty responsive as to knowing when it supposed to light up. So I saw when I was looking through the review and stuff before buying this, they say that there's it's not really a circle, it's a square actually within the circle, because they can't make the screen being full, otherwise it would cost a lot of money for them. And this is actually, the swiping and stuff is pretty accurate. Heart rate monitor, messages, weather, shutter. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna play around with it and let you guys know whether this watch is worth to buy. So the heart rate monitor is back here. I don't know if you can see once I can unlock this. So it's back here in the back. This is the heart rate sensor, I guess, right here. Very nice. It's pretty good quality built too. It's on the heavier side, but I mean, I guess this is what the watch is, right? I mean, you want it to be sturdy, right? It's it feels like it's metal. Yep, it's definitely metal built. Alright, I'll give you a full in-depth review on this watch after my 1 week of use.